The MSI MPG Z890I EDGE TI Wi-Fi is here. And it might just be the most thoughtful mini-ITX motherboard you can get your hands on right now. Designed with the growing popularity of compact PC builds in mind, it delivers not only performance, but also user-centric features that streamline the building process. In a market where many manufacturers focus solely on raw specs, MSI shifts the spotlight to usability, flexibility, and smart engineering without compromising on power. From the first glance, it's clear that MSI wants this board to stand out. The box is minimal yet striking, mirroring the board's clean white aesthetic with gray accents. It carries the signature design language of MSI's MPG series just a step below the ultra-premium Meg line, but still packs a long list of premium features. The packaging proudly showcases the board, along with Intel branding and key technologies supported, making it immediately clear that this board means business. Once you dig inside, the accessory bundle tells the same story. There's a surprising amount of included gear: a detailed user manual, labeled cable stickers, a USB drive with drivers, 2 SATA cables, M.2 screws, and MSI's unique EZ Wi-Fi antenna. Also bundled is a handy Expander 5-in-1 expansion board for USB 5 gigabits per second connectivity, RGB adapters, audio headers, and even extension cables to simplify front panel wiring inside tight spaces. MSI clearly understands the frustrations of building in a small form factor and delivers a toolkit that tackles those challenges head-on. The board itself continues the theme of functionality-driven design. The white and gray tones are soft and sophisticated, fitting well in modern minimalist builds. More importantly, MSI has cleverly shifted several of the more cumbersome header placements onto the removable Expander expansion card. This not only declutters the board visually, but also makes it easier to access key connectors during installation. Even if you choose not to use the expansion card, it can simply be detached and set aside, offering flexibility without sacrificing compatibility. Despite its minimalist form, the Z890I EDGE TI Wi-Fi offers strong diagnostic support, including the Easy Debug LED system to help identify hardware issues during setup. It's a thoughtful inclusion for first-time builders and enthusiasts alike. Looking underneath, we find a reinforced PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot built for modern GPUs, and right above it, 2 slots, one PCIe 5.0 and another PCIe 4.0. The top slot is protected by MSI's EZM.2 Shield Frozer 2 heatsink, which includes a convenient tool-free latch for easy access without a screwdriver. On the rear side of the board, MSI includes a third PCIe 4.0 M.2 slot, boosting the total to 3 onboard. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to the Expander expansion, users can unlock a fourth M.2 slot, making this one of the few ITX boards to support that many drives. On the connectivity front, the Z890I EDGE TI Wi-Fi doesn't hold back. It features 7 USB 10 gigabits per second Type-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB Type-C 10 gigabits per second, HDMI, a 5G LAN port, and headers for Wi-Fi 7 antennas. For audio, you'll find optical SPDIF, plus front and rear 3.5mm jacks. The board even includes buttons for BIOS flashback, clear CMOS, and a customizable smart button that can be programmed for functions like safe boot or reset. These are features usually reserved for larger ATX motherboards, but MSI delivers them here in an impressively compact form. Performance-wise, this board doesn't compromise. It supports Intel's latest processors and high-speed memory, making it suitable for gaming, content creation, and everyday computing. Whether you're building a stylish all-white setup, or just trying to pack serious power into a small footprint, the MPG Z890I EDGE TI Wi-Fi gives you the tools to do so without unnecessary hassle. What stands out most, however, is how intuitive this motherboard feels. Every feature seems deliberately placed to make the building experience smoother, particularly in tight SFF cases, where cable management and access can be a nightmare. MSI has approached this design with a builder's mindset, and it shows. In the end, the MSI MPG Z890I EDGE TI Wi-Fi isn't just a solid mini-ITX board. It's a statement that small builds can still offer big performance, elegant design, and real user convenience. If you're ready to step into the world of SFF PCs and want a motherboard that balances aesthetics, power, and practicality, this might just be the best place to start.